The main thing in here we are going to talk about that vapor pressure and boiling. So as you go all the way up to the altitude, the longer time it will take to cook any food that we cook. If you camp in the mountain, you may have noticed that the higher you camp, the longer it takes vegetable to cook in boiling water. To understand this observation, we need to examine the relationship between vapor pressure and boiling point. As water boils, bubbles of the vapor rises to the top of the liquid and escape. For this to occur, the saturation vapor pressure exerted by the bubble must equal to the pressure of the atmosphere. Otherwise, the bubble would collapse. Boiling, therefore, occurs when the saturation vapor pressure of the escaping bubble is equal to the total atmospheric pressure. Because the situation, sorry, because the saturation vapor pressure is directly related to the temperature of the liquid. Higher water temperature produces higher vapor pressure. Any change in atmospheric pressure will change the temperature at which water boils. An increase in air pressure raises the boiling points, while the decrease in air pressure actually lowers it. So, if you are standing over a high altitude, somewhere like in the Colorado, Denver, that is 1,500 meter above the sea level pressure. We know at the sea level pressure, our water boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade or 212 degree Fahrenheit. If you go all the way up with the altitude, somewhere at Denver, 1,500 meter, that's approximately 5,000 feet, your boiling point of the water would be 95 degrees centigrade. So as you go up, your boiling point of the water decreases. Once the water starts to boil, its temperature remains constant, even if you continue to heat it. This happens because energy supply to the water is used to convert the liquid to a gas stream. Now we can see why vegetable takes longer to cook in the mountain. To be thoroughly cooked, they must boil for a longer time because the boiling water is cooler than at the lower level. If you are in La Crosse, which is near sea level, it takes about 5 minutes to boil a well hard boil an egg. That egg will take more than 5 minutes to hard boil if you're cooking in Denver, Colorado, in the higher altitude. Or if you are going all the way to Mount Everest, your pressure will decrease a lot and it would be very hard for you to cook there, to boil vegetables, meat, eggs, anything, because water will boil somewhere in 70 degrees centigrade. So in this lecture, we supposed to understand that vapor pressure and boiling point. The main thing is as you higher go with the altitude, increasing with the altitude, it will take a longer time to cook. Your boiling point will decrease.